know swine? How many people know swine? Swine are clean animal or a dirty animal? The blood of Jesus. See, we get story where one man will get the swine. If he care for this ugly swine, he go wash this swine, put swine sauce, wear the all kind white, delicious, everybody dresses, and he go keep the swine for a nice parlor. Say, I think just remain here. I like you too much. This swine will make the man will crash the swine, and the swine will make those were the direct pig. This one are true, a life situation. So when the man leave the pig for day, the pig will stand up so. It's a matter of whether the pig will be able to put the only crowd, the pig, the baby, and the pig. I want to run with the bottle. And the pig, when the man come out, the pig running. He go was we know the thing. Then after the man go walk in between the shrine. He go and see the shrine. He come. See when that shrine he come. With that white clothes when that man began, all that money we spend for rubbing water and for buy that clothes. That man go recognize that clothes again. The man go start and say, "What? This swine there." The other hand he go talk say, "Well, don't take that, don't wash it again." He go take the swine, he wash am again, he chop. He chop. The swine continue. So he go buy other clothes again. Nice clothes, wear am for the swine. The swine wear am again, he carry am put am on top bed. Sleep here. No tell me say people they respect that kind of thing. Half of trouble million. Some people they sleep with trouble.
That's right.
So he carry out, they say sleep here. You put the fine clothes, fine everything. The swine stand there.